Side window deflectors. Roll down your car window. Clean the seal of any dirt. Use extraction gasoline or another product with similar properties. Unpack the deflectors. Peel off the protective layer of the adhesive tape. Place the deflector in the seal starting from the front part of the window. Place the rear part of the deflector, then, starting from the front part of the window, insert the deflector into the seal. Installation instructions are located on the packaging of the mounting clips. When installing the mounting clip, ensure the hook is correctly facing the interior of the vehicle. Slowly and gradually close the window in small steps. In case of difficulty closing the window, assist its movement by gently pushing it up by hand. Repeat the same process for the remaining deflectors. Keep the window closed for at least 3 hours. Always remember to check the instruction bag. In some cases, the clip may require mounting in a different location.